I'm so excited. I am so excited. I have no idea what to expect. Okay, Sherry, do not judge me. I will clean this up before next week, but you can see I've got appliances on the bottom there. Then I've got food wrap, tea. That says superfoods, but that's not really superfoods anymore. Then a whole bunch of miscellaneous garbage bags, oil, sauce, cat food, kind of a random spot for cat food, salt and pepper, cereal, protein powders. I've got my superfood jars here, then those OXO containers. You can see here. Not very organized. Seriously, do not judge me. Some cans, pasta, snacks, sweeteners, baking, more baking, miscellaneous.
What are you doing there, Simone?
Okay, so I still got some Halloween treats here.
Oh no!
I'm making
Contraband.
Yes, I'm making a box for Shelby, so her snacks. She really likes Lara bars, as you can see. This is an easy snack for kids. I really like them, under 5 ingredients. But yeah, I need some major organization here.
So we're creating a snack bin for Shelby.
Drawer there.
Yep, just like that, sweetie. It's looking good. Make it stand straight. Thanks, Shelby. Love you. I'm so excited. I am so excited. I have no idea what to expect. Oh my gosh. I don't even recognize my own pantry. Sherry, look at this. The labels. What?
For you.
Oh my gosh, look at those jars are beautiful. Like a game changer. Before I had them, you know, stacked, but I couldn't see. Look at kids, snacks. Okay, this is by far my favorite. So, Sherry, our deal with Shelby's room that I'm struggling with is we've got these IKEA shelves here,
Yeah,
right?
these work really well.
But I mean, this is a bit of chaos and disaster, and we just don't know what to do. Is it chaos and disaster, Missy?
Yes.
Yeah, do you put just things anywhere and everywhere?
Yeah.
And it makes Mommy go a little bit crazy. Okay, so we just did
another label.
Shelby's room. This is amazing. What a difference. Wow, so we've labeled everything. Hopefully they stay in their boxes, right, Shelbs? Thank you so much for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me and ask. And thank you so much for doing this. Amazing.
So much fun.
This is a game changer for me. So hopefully you can start putting together some of these tips into your pantry. Thanks, you guys. Bye.